we're going to practice explaining the text and drawing an inference. Authors, they don't always state every point they want to make directly in the text. Good readers know we have to look for details to see what inferences or smart guesses we can draw, because an inference helps us figure out what the author is trying to say. Now, misconception alert. An inference is not your idea or your opinion of what will happen, because it has to be connected to the text. It has to be connected. You have to put your evidence and your smart guess together. Now, you're going to watch me make these steps. Take down notes, because you're going to do it in a little bit. So I have to look for step 1. What do I want to figure out? Well, I think I want to figure out, is King George enjoying being king? All right, I want to really figure out if he's enjoying being king. All right, I got my first step done. Check. All right, now I got to go to step 2. So step 2 says I have to look for clues in the text. I have to look at nearby details, text features, and visuals. All right, let's zoom in on this page. Well, I'm going to look at the details, so I'm going to read. And he did. He even looked like a king. Tall, auburn hair with well-shaped legs and toes pointing in the right direction. Occasionally, he had pimples. People noticed, but no more than 1 or 2 at a time. When he made a speech, he stood straight and spoke with a strong voice. That seems like he's being a good king. At parties, he didn't just stare at the floor as his grandfather had done. He mixed with his company, and he didn't just hold out his hand for ladies to kiss. He kissed the ladies. Sounds like he's having a good time. Let me look at my visuals. Good evening, my dear. Ooh, it looks like King George is enjoying being king. All right, now I can move on to step 3. Check. I have to think about what I already know about the topic. I have to visualize what makes sense. Well, I know in the previous pages, George wasn't excited at all about being king. He didn't want to think about it, and he was really shy. And here, I see that he's making speeches with a strong voice, and he's having a good time at parties, even talking to ladies. All right, so he wasn't having a good time and didn't want to be king, and now he is. All right, I think I'm ready for step 4. Check. All right, step 4. I have to put the clues and the knowledge together. I have to explain what the text means. So, my evidence tells me that he didn't want to be king before, but now he's enjoying parties and giving speeches. I got it. George is behaving like a king and is enjoying his new role. The text says he gives speeches with a strong voice and show him having fun at parties. I got it. I put my clues together to make an inference. All right, friends, now it's going to be your job. Good luck.